Continue to accessing elements in tuple. Let's have a look how to access elements in tuples. So you can access the values in tuple with their index number. Just we have done a list. Nested tuples are accessed using nested indexing. Negative indexing applies to tuple similar to list. So many concepts are similar to list here. So we can access a range of items in a tuple by using slicing operator is same. Trying to reassign a value in tuple causes a type error. That means as we can't edit the values, add elements, that's why it will give you any error. So next, if simply I just assign a tuple name marks some values. If you want to print value at index 0, it will print 89. Then simply I'll just print the value at index 1, then it will print 98. So nesting, how nested tuples are accessed, same as we have worked in list. Here also what we did, I created tuple with the different types of values, or you can say a tuple with list in it. So when you want to print element at 0, simply just print 0, then you will get hello. If you want element at index position 1, then you simply print n tuple 1, that means 1 2 3, that is whole list will be printed. And see, if you want values like simply h or simply 1 from here, simply 5 from here, so what you do, at it is a 0 position and you want its 0 index element, so simply just write name of tuple 0 0 index, so it will print h. If you print 1 0, that means it will print you 1 element. So I hope you all have clear about this, as it is too easy to learn. So next move, if I have only 3 elements, that means indexing starts from 0 to 2. When I'll try to use n tuple 3, that means index out of range, so it will give you error tuple index out of range, as this element is not found in the tuple. So by negative indexing, how to access array elements, let's have a look. If you have a tuple, my tuple, some values in that tuple, and you want -1, I'll always saying -1 will always print the last value present in that tuple or list, so it will print t. Then you just try to print -6, then starting from here just count -6, then it will be p. Okay, so next is slicing. So slicing is also an important part of tuple. That means you want to use elements from some range, you want to get some values for some range, then use slicing. So we have a tuple like this and you want values starting from 1 to 4. So starting from index 1, value less than 4 will you get, that is from 1 index you will get like R, O, G as an example. Next is elements beginning to second. Like see, if I'll here just giving only -7, so how it will work, that at last it is showing -7, so its output will be P and R. Because ending it as -7, that means if you count -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, so these two will be printed, rest are exempted from that. Next is elements. See, all these will work like it all will work. If you are mentioning the first position, then it will start from that. If you mention at the end, then वहाँ तक वो जाके work करेगा. So next move, if you just simply provide colon, how it will work? It will print elements from the beginning to end. That means all elements of a tuple will be printed here. So next is changing a tuple. How to change a tuple? As changing a tuple is not allowed here because tuples are immutable. That means elements of tuple cannot be changed once it has been assigned. So let's see, if you have a tuple and you want to assign a value or you want to change a value at 0 index, that is 10, then it will give you an object, that is tuple object does not support item assignment. So now we can, if the element is itself a mutable data type. There is a new thing about tuple, that if you want to change the element of tuple, then how will you do that? If understand this carefully, but if the element is itself a mutable data type, that means in tuple if you have mutable items like list, so its nested items can be changed. That means जो भी उसके within आपकी values होंगी list की, वो change की जा सकती है. See how, by an example I am showing here. Here is a tuple and I want to change at index position 1 and its first element. That means I want 9 to be 23. Then it will done. Why? Because within a tuple we are using a list. So list can be updated. List can be addable. Okay. So now